Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I've got another video for you guys. We are at 8,100 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. Today, I want to talk about the overall market, what's going on with CRO Coin, especially CRO Coin versus Bitcoin. I kind of want to take a deeper dive into the overall market sentiment and what the powers that be are saying about the banking crisis and what my opinion is on it. So let's hop in. So right now we are having a green day, guys. Bitcoin is up about 5.2%. That is a hefty move to the upside in a day. Bitcoin dominance at 46.42%. Would like to see this be a little bit higher. I really do want to see this at the 48%, and then leading into the Bitcoin halving, I would like to maybe even see this reach something crazy like 50%. I think it's possible, but based on the previous bear markets, it is a little bit different. It's almost it's a joke when people say, "Oh, this time it's different," but there is exceptions, and something that I have noticed is the attention that's being held during this bear market. Don't get me wrong, the vast majority of people have stopped paying attention to crypto, but the level of attention that's here right now is still significantly higher than it has been the previous bear market and the market before that, obviously. But the previous bear market is basically the time that I really am pulling my data from here, because back in that bear market, it was like a barren wasteland. There was all the projects stopped building. People thought crypto was gone. People thought crypto was dead. They thought that, oh, well, the bubble popped, it's over. But only the very, very few people that realized what kind of technology this was were the ones that stayed and stuck around. But now in this bear market, it's a different story. There's a lot more people creating and building right now because they know that the bear markets are the time to build. And that saying has never been more true because so many crypto companies and projects are expanding right now, and really they're going to reap the rewards of the bull market because they've been building throughout this bear market. But the reason why I'm saying all this is because I think there is a chance that Bitcoin dominance doesn't reach those levels that I'm hoping for, and that what a lot of people are hoping for, because people are keeping their eyes on this Bitcoin dominance level reaching 50% to see these altcoins bleed against Bitcoin like previous cycles. But since the attention is so at the level that it is right now, especially if you look at like Google Trends and whatnot, and people looking up cryptos and different coins, and it's just significantly higher than what it was in the previous bear markets. I do think that we will see somewhat of a Bitcoin dominance level reach a little bit higher. We did reach close to 48% a few weeks ago, but I would like to see that 50% range leading into the Bitcoin halving and seeing the liquidity come out of the altcoins and get sucked up by Bitcoin, and then once we make our move to the upside on Bitcoin and start to trade sideways, that's when I want to see the true altcoin season. Maybe we don't see that until a month or two after the Bitcoin halving. I mean, in our stream, Crypto Kip and I were having last night, some people were asking questions about, everyone's talking about how Bitcoin is going to move to the upside when the Bitcoin halving comes, but in previous events when Ethereum was having its merge and it was a big event, it dumped. And, I'm not saying at all that I think that Bitcoin is going to just shoot straight up when the Bitcoin halving happens. But what I am saying is that a month or two after, or 3 months, 4 months, maybe even 5 months, maybe there's a lagging, it's lagging, then we're going to start making some big moves to the upside, guys. Bitcoin is programmed to go up, basically. And it's some people call it money go up technology, but it's deflationary, and it follows a 4-year cycle. There's been so many times when people have been saying, "Oh, the 4-year cycle's broken. Oh, the 4-year cycle's broken," but really, it hasn't. It has not wavered. Maybe it's wavered off a little bit here and there, but all in all, when you zoom out, it is stuck on that 4-year cycle. And that being said, I think that leading in the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin dominance is going to come up a little bit. Your altcoins are going to come down. And then after we have this big move to the upside with Bitcoin, then you're going to start seeing that altcoin season once again, like how it has happened in the past cycles. So be patient, guys. Be patient. Let's look over at CRO Coin because the reason why I'm talking about all that is, man, CRO Coin is bleeding against Bitcoin. I mean, what would you do? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. What would you do if Bitcoin goes to 40,000 and CRO Coin is still at 7 cents? Let me know. I'm really curious on what you would do because I know what I would do, and I would be buying more. Well, quite frankly, my bags are packed. I'm just accumulating from my staked position that I have. But if I didn't have a position and I believed in this project, this company, this business, I would be buying more. Even though you'd be feeling, oh, I think I'm missing out. Oh, I think I'm missing out. Guys, don't chase. Don't chase. That's a bad move when it comes to trading. Not financial advice, but it's a bad move to chase. However, I will say right now, what am I doing? You say, Blacksea, what are you doing right now? I'm buying Bitcoin. I am buying Bitcoin because I think that there's a good chance that Bitcoin absorbs some of liquidity based on there's so many things happening in the world, especially with this banking crisis. One day the banking crisis isn't over yet. The next day the banks are safe. We're seeing a lot of big government agencies coming after crypto, and the one crypto that they can't really go after, guys, is Bitcoin. It's decentralized. I think a lot of people are going to be where they have no place to go. What Bitcoin was originally made for, the safe haven asset, it's becoming a safe haven asset after all, which is very, very poetic, I guess you could say. But when it comes to CRO Coin, guys, time is on our side. Time is on our side. We're trading in this channel between 5.5 cents and 10 cents. You know, we could be trading in this channel for another 11 months, 12 months, maybe even a little bit more. So be patient, guys. Time is on your side to be accumulating. Buy some other things too. Buy some Bitcoin. Buy some Ethereum. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket, guys. It's very important when you're investing that you diversify appropriately to the time of the market. Right now, the cycle, in my opinion, is the meta would be to be buying Bitcoin, because I believe Bitcoin dominance is going to come up. But you may say, Blacksea, you're wrong. The tension is way higher in this bear market. I think that the time to be buying altcoins is right now. Then if that's your strategy, guys, you do that. You do that. However, I have my own strategy. The most important thing is find the projects you truly believe in, dollar cost average into them over time with the projects you have true conviction for, and that's the safest way to go about it, guys. Let's take a look over at Bitcoin, because we are getting these weekly candle closes. Let's look over the daily really quick. We're getting these daily candle closes, especially over the 26,300. Very, very important level in my opinion. These green candles are great to see. Over on the weekly, this is where the real test is going to be, guys. This is going to be where the real test is. Let's zoom out a little bit. You know, if we keep getting these green weekly candles at higher and higher price levels, I mean, I've been saying this for a while, and all I see here is bullish continuation. I'm seeing people say, "Oh, you know, it's time for a pullback. It's time for a pullback." And guys, we had over a year, over 415 days of a pullback. It's not unheard of to come up to the upside after such a long downward slide, especially when you zoom out and look at previous events here. And you know, we've been talking about this. Right here, this move right here, that's playing out right now. That's playing out right now off the bottom in 2017 or 2018, excuse me, getting a recovery back to almost all-time highs in the 2017-2018 bull run. There's a chance, guys. There's a possibility that we could come up to 50K before the Bitcoin halving. Now, quite frankly, I would like to see a little bit more of sideways action leading into that, and then maybe have that happen a couple months after the Bitcoin halving. But that could happen. It could happen before the Bitcoin halving, guys. I have not seen these articles popping up just yet about the Bitcoin halving hype. And when that starts happening, The hype builds, people are going to start buying. People are going to start buying. People already are buying. But there's just a lot of pressure on the other end. You know, I said in the live stream last night, first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. Guys, we're definitely at the then they fight you stage. And it's very, very apparent. That's why I'm emphasizing so much on Bitcoin right now, because I really do believe Bitcoin is a safe bet, because it's extremely, extremely difficult for these players and these players in the banking industry to attack Bitcoin with nothing. All they really can do is attack it with words. They can't ban it. If they banned it, people would still use it in other places that it's allowed. It's going to be a very, very interesting time leading into this Bitcoin halving, guys. You know, it really comes down to what this regulation will be like. Will it be heavy-handed? I don't think so. Will it be soft-handed? Probably. But the question is, what will the caveats be embedded in this regulation? And all in all, there's not going to be much they can do about Bitcoin. It's decentralized, guys. It's decentralized. What are they going to do? Are they going to ban Bitcoin mining? I don't know. They kind of tried to do that with that narrative talking about Bitcoin not being green. Well, now over 50% of all Bitcoin mining, I think it's even more than that, an extremely large percentage of Bitcoin mining is green and renewable energy. And compared to the banking system, the energy is minuscule that the Bitcoin network uses. It's going to be an interesting time, guys. Interesting time. But let's take a look at the S&P 500 as well, because we are getting that bounce off as well. And Bitcoin is following that with this move to the upside in the S&P 500. Let's see if the S&P 500 continues to make its way to the upside, guys. But if you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please consider becoming a member to the channel. All you got to do is click join underneath this video, and you get these awesome custom loyalty badges, as well as these custom emojis that you can use during our videos and during our live streams every 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time on Tuesday and Thursday. As well, you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, trading signals, and a more of a one-on-one community with you guys. And it's a lot of fun talking with you and just picking each other's brains. But on top of that, you also get 10 additional entries each month to winning this loaded line NFT, which we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers. Guys, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.